The video is about removing the ransomware called Qowd. Qowd is ransomware from the DJVU ransomware family. This ransomware is able to damage the files that users store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Qowd ransomware encrypts files and then damages them essentially. So you've just clearly seen that before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other information, all that can be opened easily without complications. But regretfully, due to some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Qowd ransomware may be easily injected. This is what happens. You try to open the specific file and you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Qowd additionally appended extension. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom does not guarantee that your data would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste the money, so don't pay it. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner's latest version on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install the program, and then once it gets installed, you need to click on Start Scan button and the free scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Most likely the application would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to get your data always protected from further ransomware attacks. So, wait until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of infections. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license as the best way to keep your files always under the protection from further ransomware attacks.